Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are here to solve Leetcode problem of the day, and today is 25th September 2024, and the problem is sum of prefix score of hint. I don't know why they have categorized it as a hard problem. It actually not a hard problem. It can and the we can put it in in medium problem. It's not too much hard, but if you will read this statement, sorry, this is not, this statement is misleading from what the actual problem is. So let's begin with the problem statement. You are given an array words of size n consisting of non-empty string, and it is something trying to ask you about the score. And what is the score? We define the score of the string term. If you consider the term as a string, then as the number of string word I has the term, it's a prefix of word I. Actually, first time when I also read the statement, it was quite confusing and misleading. So after a while, after reading the examples, I understand that what the problem is actually trying to ask us. So we will start with the example. What example is actually asking from us? So here is input is given. So and if you will read the return statement, return on array answer of size, and where answer will be the size of n is the sum of the score of every non-empty prefix of words I. And here is also a note point is given. Note that a string is considered as a prefix of itself. It means that ABC could be the prefix of ABC itself. So this is actually this point I'm trying to say. So let's start with this example, and you have given the word ABC, AB, ABC, and B. So let's try to solve it. So let's start with a new one. Okay. So this one is the first example. So in the first example, what actually is asking that if you have ABC, let's say ABC, this string are there. So what will the prefix? Could be the prefix AB, and then ABC. Three could be there, and if you have AB, the prefix would be A and AB, and then BC, prefix will be B and BC, and if you have just B only, then B is only the prefix. So the problem is asking if you have ABC, how many prefix that could be made from all these string. So let's see if the ABC is there. So these three could be included in the answer. These two could be the included in the answer. So total is one. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that's why the answer is 5 for ABC. Okay, let's start with for AB. So if you will try to AB, then you will see that for AB, A is there, AB is there, A is there, AB is there. Total is 4. So answer is 4. So for the next is BC. For the BC, okay, BC. For BC, let's try BC. For BC, you will get B and BC and total is D. So the answer is 3. For B, for B there is 2B. So this one will be included and this one will be included. So answer is 2. So what the problem is actually asking that for a particular string, if you choose a particular string from these, let's suppose if this index is 0 and then 1 and 2 and 3, if you choose any of these string, you have to find out how many prefix that can be made out of these all, these, for out of these all strings that are available in the array words. So for AB you have to find how many prefix that can be made for AB. So for AB you can see A, AB, A, AB. So these are the counts. So this is a problem, and you have to somehow find all the prefix for AB that might be included in this string, that might included be in the other string in the given word. So how you will store the prefix of each. So as you also know that to store the prefix, or in such kind of problem we use try data structure. Try data structure is the most efficient data structure that could answer us very efficiently. Let's try to see that how we will proceed to bring our solution with try. So firstly there will be a root node in the root node, because in the problem, if I will show you in the problem, that will be mentioned that character will be always in lower English character. So we will make a node, try node, and the try node will store like this one, 0, 1, 2, and then blah blah blah, and 25. These will be, and this will represent to A, and this will represent to B, and so on, and this one represent to Z. So this will how we make the data structure for try. All right. So we will this one it will be the root, our root node, and we will store, if there will be less, we will iterate all the words and we will store it in the try data structure. Firstly, if the string will be ABC, I'm explaining for one string AB, because A is there. So what will I do? This will represent to A. So from here there will be something like this, from 0 to 25, and then again A, then this pointer will goes to here, and for B this will represent as B. So B, for B what we will do, we will again make a new try node, and then again for A, and then B, and then C. This will represent as C, 0, 1, 2, and 25, and there will be node like this. This will represent C. This will, for the A representation, I'm just saying A is representation, B representation, and C representation for this string. So these are the nodes, and if again a node will come AB, so what will I do? I will So each time I will store how many times A has already come. Just suppose ABC already given, so I will also make a another variable like suppose there will be like something like this. So I will, for the count I will make this one. So for this A, everything will be 0. Initially it will be 0. So whenever A will come to this one, A will come, what will I do? I will increase the frequency that A has already come. So 1 will be there. So how many times A has come? One time. So again, and then similarly for this one, there will be like here it will be 1, and for C this one, sorry, this one, and for this one also there will be, this will say that one time A has already come, and this will say that okay AB has come, and this will say that ABC has come. So again for this one, then when I will make the try for AB, so A, because A has already come and count is 1, so I will increase the count 1 by 2, I will increase 2. So AB, again this will update it to, I am writing here, I will increase that to 2 now. So so let's suppose if there is the try. So whenever you make the query for ABC, so for A I will just count this as 2, and for B there will be 2, and for C there will be 1, so total is 5. Similarly for AB, when you will make a query for AB, there will be 2 and then 2, so 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Similarly we will proceed for these two string. So this is the answer, this is the approach that how we will solve our problem. It is the basic try problem, and if you know very well that how you store the string in the try data structure and how you will efficiently get the expected result, you are good to go to solve this problem. Honestly if I say that because I used to solve the lead code problem each of the day, so I have the idea that this problem might be from the try data structure. So at the beginning I was just trying to figure out that how can I implement try in this problem. So I was just trying, and then the concept hit that in this way, if you will store the count, you will easily be able to solve the problem, and that's how I come with this solution. All right, so then try to solve the problem now. Okay, so first we will make the class for try. I will say try node, and what will it contain? Okay, and but as I said that there will be one more variable count. This will be the constructor for this class, and will contain this property will contain an array of size 26. Okay, and this property count equal to initialize is 0. So this is all about how this trinode particular trinode will look like. So now let's try to write the code how to make the try. So we will iterate each character. Sorry, what will I do? I will just find the character first. What will be the character equal to if children Hmm, okay then. Because we do not need that this particular node is the end of the word, so we do not, that's why I do not declare the variable end of the string in this class. So this is how you will iteratively call for each string, and it will make the try node for you. So you have to now implement the count. So each time you have to count it. So how necessarily like where should I put? I should put it here or somewhere here. So root dot count plus plus. Okay. So each time I will increase the count. Should I? Sorry. I think I should put it here. Okay. Okay, then you have to implement it for how to find it. It will return the int, and let's suppose this one is string, then try node root, and then yes, these all will be useful for us. So I'm just copying from here again, and let's say so these are the characters. So I have to make a variable account, so int total at the beginning will be 0. If root equal to null, I have to return here from total. I also have to return total here. So you do not have to make this one because you are not making anything. This will be also not there. So if root equal to null, you have to total, otherwise you have to count. Total plus equal to root dot count. So I will wait further, and while there will be the character in the string, it will count the total, and that's it. So let's try to make the try first, and we will call it iteratively, and this will return the count, the total substring, and that will be our answer. So let's suppose we have to store the answer, so we will make an answer variable for worst or length. Okay, you have to return it. You have to make the word string as for words. Okay. Alright. So you have to call your method root, there will be, and then s. Because you have not made the root, so I make a try node. Try node, and that's it. So with the try node, I will, and similarly you have to find out. So then let me write it for string as word. What will I do? I will find and this will count the total. So this is all about, let me explain my code. And this is the class for the try node, and this will be the method that will make the try, and each time when new character will come in the each try node, it will increase the count. Each time when as I said, you hear that once you will make for abc, this will be the default count, so it will from 0 it will increase to 1 and 1 and then 1, and again when ab will be the start, when you will start to make for ab, then this count will be because this is a, again a, so this will increase to 2, and b, so this will also increase to 2. So similar wise, I am also, each time I am just increasing the count, and this is my find method, which will take the input as string and will return that how many total score for a particular string. And these are the method, and I have made this root node, and I am making the try node from here in the loop, and then again I am trying each time for each word I am just calling my find method. It will return the total score for each string, and here I am returning the answer. So let's try to run our code. Try node, here is something is missing here, sorry. Okay, okay, this is saying sorry, I have made some typo. This is the words actually. Okay, sorry. This one you have to int. Here it will be the answer of I plus for the particular index. It will store the score for that particular string as in the given array, giving the wrong output. Why? Because we are not storing the count efficiently. Let's try to see what happened. There might be problem here. So where we are updating the count, we are updating the count in child, okay, and we are just here. There is no output, okay. So what I did here, because I was increasing the count in the child, so I also have to find the count in the child node. So that's why there was something missing. So let's try to submit it now. So the solution has been accepted, and this is how it's taken. It beats 34.19% of the people. Let's try to analyze the time complexity. Before showing this here, what will be the time complexity? Let's explain here, because let's in the constraint. What is the constraint? Constraint is here. Word length could be the 1000, and there might be the call of for 1000 word. So the time complexity, this will could be the height. So 10 to the power 3 could be the height of our try, and this will be the maximum call. So our time complexity will be like 1000. So time complexity would be, well, time complexity will be like, sorry, 1000 into 1000. For each word might be, in the worst case, each word would have the length of 1000, and for each 1000 you have to make the call of 1000. So this will be for the construction of try. Similarly, to find, you also have to go 1000 into 1000. So if this will be time complexity, so if words no length, let's suppose, is n, and word I dot length equal to m, so the time complexity would be order of 2 into m plus n, m plus, sorry, m into n, so will be equal to order of m dot n. So this will be the time complexity. Let's see what the Leetcode. This one is saying submitted. This one is accepted. Let's try to see the time complexity. So this is the order of n into n. So this is all about the problem. If you have any query, if you have any suggestion, you can ping me in the comment box. Whenever I will get time, I will surely reply you and answer your queries. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe my channel and please share my video to your friends who are very interested in DSA and competitive programming, and make sure you like the comment. If you have any appreciation, you can also give me in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.